Guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Microsoft Store is missing on Windows. Here I'm searching Microsoft Store on a search bar, but it's not showing the Microsoft Store. And also I'm entered into the apps and then installed apps and searched Microsoft Store, but it's still missing. So to fix, you need to enter into the settings to troubleshoot the Microsoft Store. For that, you need to search for Microsoft Store and it shows find and fix problem with the Microsoft Store apps. So please click on it and then click next to troubleshoot. Once you click, it will automatically detect the problem and initialize to troubleshoot the store. Yeah, here the problem like service registration is missing or corrupt, it's fixed, and the hanging or crashing app, it's not fixed. So let us check once the issue is fixed or not. So before that, you need to restart your PC. Yeah, try to restart your PC and then try to open the Microsoft Store on the search bar. But still the Microsoft Store is missing. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna do the second step. The second step is to reset the Microsoft Store. So for that, you need to click Windows R and then type ws reset.exe and then hit OK. Once you hit OK, it automatically reset, but in our case it shows we cannot open the MS Windows Store link. So this step also it doesn't work. So we are going into the third step. The third step is to right click the taskbar and you may get the terminal admin and then click the terminal admin. Once you click, the PowerShell will be opened and over there copy the link in the description. Yeah, the prompt which is in the description, please copy the prompt over there and paste the prompt in the PowerShell and then hit enter. It automatically reset and install the Microsoft Store on the background. So once it restarted, you need to again restart your PC manually if it's not restored automatically. And now the Microsoft Store is showing over there, and this is how guys we need to fix those Microsoft Store missing issue. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.